Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore deleted post from your Facebook account. If you have accidentally deleted any post on Facebook and after some days you need to restore this post, in this video I will show you how to restore deleted post on Facebook. You have 28 days to restore your deleted post. Otherwise, after 28 days you can't restore your deleted post. So first open Facebook account, then log into your Facebook account, then click profile picture icon on the top right corner here, then click your profile picture icon again, then click three dot next to the advertise, scroll down, and here you will see archive button. Just click on archive, and here you will see recycling bin option. Just tap on recycling bin, and from now you can see this, all of your deleted post will be showing like this, and you have 28 days to restore this post. Otherwise it will be deleted after 28 days. So just click three dot here, and here you will see restore to profile option. Just click restore to profile, and then again you have to click restore, and it may take some times, and you can see this restoring item to profile. In this way you can easily restore your deleted post on Facebook. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.